there's different kinds of content. Not many people go to YouTube to watch full episodes, even if they're good, hour-long content. The sweet spot for YouTube is like 8 to 10 minute content. And you probably would have noticed lots of people like Joe Rogan, and like, think about what comes up in your feed on YouTube. It's going to be 8 to 10 minute clips of your podcast. So you'll need someone to pull in the hour-long episode, take a chunk and go, yep, that was a good 5 to 8 minutes, and then publish that. Think about it this way. We can make more money by finding more new customers, selling more times to our existing customers, or we can put our prices up, right? There's different ways of growing our business. Same with the YouTube channel. You can create content that's going to get your existing subscribers to watch more of your channel, but you also should create content that's going to find new subscribers. And so it's quite possible that a podcast, I would think, would serve really, really well people who are already in your audience, who already know about you, who want to know a bit more about Matt on a personal level. That's what podcasts are really good for, because it's chit chat, it's banter, and you're going deep into meandering and subjects. But for me, I'm like, no, I'm not going to commit to watching a podcast with someone that I don't know. But YouTube, like Google, someone said it's a search engine, and that means it's intent based. And so understanding what kind of things would my customers go to YouTube for when they are in intent mode, when they need to solve something or they need to fix something, and then having content specifically for that. For example, for us, I've got lots of videos where I talk about business and scaling your team and hiring a remote team and all that kind of stuff. And people don't give a shit. Like, there's so much other content out there. It's highly, highly competitive. And there are other people that you can go to YouTube for to learn about how to run a better business. You can watch a video from Elon Musk or Warren Buffett or Richard Branson or someone else, right? But there are very specific things that my customers do come to YouTube for. And my customers come to YouTube when their DNS records are broken and they're trying to fix it themselves. And so we've got a whole bunch of videos on how to fix your DNS records in different flavors, with different titles, with different thumbnails, like 4 or 5 different videos related to DNS, so that we show up in all of the different search results for that. We've also got a bunch of different varied videos on how to manage multiple domain names or multiple companies inside one Google Workspace account. Because what does everyone do? Oh, I've got another brand or another side gig. Oh, can I run both of these in one account? They'll then Google that. Bang. We've got like 5 or 6 videos on that particular topic. They are our best videos that bring in new subscribers, because they watch that one video and they go, oh God, this guy really helped me with Google Workspace. And then they click onto the channel. Holy shit, this guy's got a whole channel dedicated to Google Workspace. And then they fall into the vortex and they binge on all of the videos. And then once they've built a relationship with me, then they will watch my business videos. And they watch a few videos on scaling or hiring a remote team or whatever, only because I've built trust with them. And then after that, they're like, I love this guy. I want to do business with him. What does his business do? Click. Lead. And there's a certain subset that will then jump onto my Instagram because they want to build a legit, more personal experience with me. And I only, in the initial wave, only promoted this mentorship on my Instagram, and I had 40 people reach out, and I was like, holy shit, there's all these people that are following me that are actually interested in the way that I do business. And that's where you'll graduate people to different platforms, because you can have a different relationship with them and there's different purposes for the different platforms.